Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We have a 1937 Packard model 120C Sedan. Very cool car. There's a 12-volt conversion on it. Runs and drives great. Finished in blue. Gray interior. Packard was way out of its time. Water pump and radiator have been rebuilt. It's got an alternator now instead of a generator. These stainless steel brake lines. New master cylinder too. Wheel cylinders. Such a cool car. Some of the emergency brake cables have been done as well. So that actually works. Brake linings are new too. All the gauges, lights work, turn signals have been added. Starts and runs as it should. My client's got a full-time mechanic that takes care of all of these cars here. He's been collecting cars for decades. Hubcaps are new too. Starts right up too. Love the suicide doors on this car. So stately. You can barely hear it run. Showing 38,000, looks like 50 miles. It's a cute little ashtray. How neat is that? Love the Art Deco design. I can't let it run too long in here. You get the idea. Can you open the hood? This big straight 6 alternator conversion. You can see it down there. All tuned up, ready to roll. Rubber mat in here. A little extra fabric. Such a neat car. Tires are in great shape. Big stately grille. Yeah, look at that ornament too. So pretty. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out tons of photos on my website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.